like he named it turbo halibut. Mecha chef. Alright guys, so first day of shopping. We got all our juices, oil, you know, all the French fries. We don't buy a lot, we just buy a few stuff that we could get started. We have a lot more to get, so over our next couple of days we will be getting more, but for now we just get a few stuff for like a week worth of stuff. So stay tuned, we're gonna unload this van right here and get everything packed out inside, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're filling up our fryers, guys. You know what that mean? That mean we're about to test fry some French fries and some fried stuff. So stay tuned, we'll go season up some stuff real quick and just do some test cooking. So I light up the fryer, stay tuned.